Good morning, all. Today we are going to discuss the concept voltage to frequency converter. The circuit that you are seeing now is a voltage to frequency converter circuit, which consists of 909400 V2F converter. Along with this, we have connected some more extra components. Mainly, within the dotted lines that you are seeing is nothing but 9400 series of voltage to frequency converter. Then along with this we have connected two capacitors outside, then three resistors in order to have successful conversion. At the first, what we can do is we can give the input either as voltage or as current, right? Both we can provide. At the output side, we will be getting a square wave or a pulse with a particular range of frequency, that is from 1 Hz up to 100 kilohertz. 1 Hz to 100 kilohertz of frequency we can achieve at the output side. How this is done then? The equivalent circuit of 9400 is as you are seeing within the dotted line, dotted box, right? A integrator, comparator, then divided by 2 circuit which will divide the voltage, then 3 microsecond delay, 2 transistors, right? All these things it will be having within the box, that is 9400 circuit. Now we need to understand the operation. Whenever we start to give the input, if say the input current, here it is input current, if I want to apply input current is nothing but what? I in, right? This is the input current. How can I write this? I is equal to V divided by R. V is V in, R is R in. Same we will be having here, right? Then if I apply the input current I in, which is nothing but V divided by R, what happens? This current is given to the capacitor C int, that is integrating capacitor. Whenever a capacitor gets current, what it will do? It will charge up to its maximum level, right? We are giving the input in terms of current. The capacitor will start to absorb the current. It will start to charge up to its maximum level, right? Then here we will be having the operational amplifier, right? This is the integrator. This C int is connected to the integrator operational amplifier. This operational amplifier will be having the output as VA, right? Now the whole operation of the circuit will depend upon this VA, right? This VA voltage is connected to the comparator's positive terminal, that is non-inverting terminal. Right now you have got the connection. Now if this VA is positive, what happens, and this VA is negative, then what happens? This is the main theme now. This VA is given to the comparator. The comparator output will be given to 3 microsecond delay circuit, which will be delaying the output of the comparator by 3 microseconds. Then the output of this 3 microsecond delay is given to 3 more equipments here. One to transistor Q1, one more to divided by 2 circuit, then it is given to the charging and discharging control circuit, right? Then how it operates? Let's say if the output of this operational amplifier is positive. If it is positive, then this positive voltage is given here to the positive terminal of the comparator. The comparator will compare these two. This is connected to ground, this is given as positive. Then the output of the comparator will be what? It is obviously a positive voltage, right? This positive voltage is given as input to 3 microsecond delay, right? What it will do? It will delay the output of the comparator. If the output is positive, it will be delaying the output by 3 microsecond, means the output of this 3 microsecond delay will be negative. Right now, here I will be having positive. It will be delaying it by 3 microsecond. Before 3 microsecond, the output will be what? Negative. Right, it is? Okay, then. What it will do? It will be delaying the output by 3 microsecond. If the output of the comparator is positive, the output of 3 microsecond will be negative. Means it is a low voltage. If a low voltage is given at the input of the transistor Q1, then what happens? The transistor Q1 will become off. Right now, if a low is given, the transistor will be obviously off. If the transistor is off, then the output frequency F0 will be high. Right, it is? This is the theme, because we are using here the pull-up resistors. This is a capacitor, what it is? Collector output transistor. The transistor that we are using is a collector output base, and here we are using pull-up resistors. If the transistor is off, the frequency F0 will be high. Okay, then the next point is this negative voltage, that is this low is given to transistor first, then this low is given to divided by 2 circuit. What is this divided by 2 circuit then? The divided by 2 circuit that we are using here is a flip-flop, right? What it will do? It is a negative edge triggered flip-flop, means it will be complementing the input that it is getting, negative edge, right? What it will do? Whenever the input to this is low, it will complement the output, means it will give you a high voltage at the output side. If a low is given here, it will produce a high at the output, means now the input to the transistor Q2 is what? High, right? If the high voltage, if the high is given to the transistor, then the transistor will be obviously on now. If the transistor is on, then again reverse. F0 divided by 2 is the output here, then F0 divided by 2 will be low. This you need to remember. If the transistor is off, F0 is high. If the transistor is on, F0 divided by 2 will be low. Right, it is? Okay. Then this low, what we are getting here after 3 microsecond delay, is again given to this circuit now. First here, second here, then third here. What it is? This is a charge or discharge control. Okay. What it will be doing? Now what we have given is the low signal is given to the charge or discharge capacitor. If a low is given here, it will be disabled. Means it is not at all having any connection with this reference. Right, it is. If low is given, this will be disabled. No action or no connection with the further circuitry. Right. Then, if the output of the operational amplifier VA is negative, if this is negative now, the case that we have studied is positive. The next case is if the VA is negative. This negative voltage is applied here to the comparator. It will compare this with 0, right? Then the output will be what? Low. Comparator output will be low. If comparator output is low, this is applied to 3 microsecond delay. The output of 3 microsecond delay will be what? Before 3 microsecond, what it will be? High. Inverse of this one. Now it is low, but before 3 microsecond it will be high. This high is applied to the transistor Q1. If a high is applied to transistor, what happens to the transistor? It will become on. If the transistor is on, F0 will be low. Reverse of this. Okay. Now this high only is connected to divided by 2 circuit. What it will do? It will complement the output. If a high is given, the output of this divided by 2 circuit will be low. If low is given to Q2, Q2 will be off. If Q2 is off, F0 by 2 will be high. Right, no? Okay. Then again the same high is applied to what? charge or discharge control. Now it is enabled, right? If it is enabled, it will develop a connection with the V reference. This connection will be enabled. What it will be then? A minus 5 volt of reference is now given to the circuit, that is operational amplifier inverting terminal, right? Here I will be providing the negative reference voltage, that is minus 5. Then again what happens? This is the integrator. If we provide a minus voltage to the inverting terminal, the output will be what? Inverted type, means it will go positive. Now again the same procedure continues. The positive voltage is again applied here, it will become positive. Then the comparator will start to compare, the output will be positive. 3 microsecond delay will generate a negative voltage. This is given to the transistor, so and so. The same procedure will be repeated again and again. This is what the operation of a voltage to frequency converter, right? Then we'll be having a formula for this VA. How we can write VA? Is equal to current into time, right? Divided by capacitor C int, right? No, I into T means what? Charge divided by capacitor. What it is? C into capacitor, right? It is, which will be giving us VA. But what the polarity of VA will be? Minus, right? No, because we are providing the input to the inverting type of terminal, so VA will be linearly decreasing, right? It is okay. Then I hope you have understood the concept of voltage to frequency converter. Again I want to show you one thing. The output to waveform of this will be like this, right? I have told you, no, the VA will be linearly decreasing here, right? And then whenever we give negative reference voltage to VA's terminal, op amp terminal, it will be positive. Again it will start to decrease linearly, right? It is, this is what the output of the integrating operational amplifier. Then this is the comparator output. This is 3 microsecond delay. This is F0, the first transistor output. This is divided by 2 circuit, which will be complementing. Then this is F0 divided by 2, the Q2 output frequency, right? Okay, then if you are not understood, repeat the video again and again, you will get to know. If you have any query, then write me in the comment box. I will try to clear those doubts.